Hi, my name is Kiran. Today I am going to discuss about my React.js mini project that is BookHub. It is a clone of Goodreads website. So in this application, one can log in with the username and correct password so we can find the books with our interest. We can also know the rating of the book, we can know about the author and about the book also. So in this application, I have used a tool that is Figma, which is actually used for design purpose, like login page, home page, bookshelf page, and book hub tab. And let's go to the code. In this one, I have implemented many components. You can check here: book details, book item, bookshelves, header, left component, right component. In the login section, we have to log in with the username and password. If it is correct, we can direct to the home page. And all these components are actually wrapped with the protected root. In this, we have to log in with the authenticated username and password. Then the JWT token is generated. Actually, the token is stored in cookies. If the token is accessed and the authenticated username and password are given, then we can log into the particular component. Or else if the token is undefined, so we'll be redirected back to the login page itself. And all these components I have imported in the app.js file. You can check here. So let's log in with the username and password. Let's give a random username and a random password. With this, it doesn't work. See here it says username and password didn't match because these details which I have provided are not authenticated. So don't worry, they have provided some details here, user credentials. You can take any one of these. They have given multiple choice. You can take any one of these. So let's take one and try to log in with that. So I have taken Chetan and I have given the password taken from the details here. VIGOR $LIFE. Let's try to log in once. Yeah, you can check here. We have successfully logged into the home page. The upper one is the header page. Yeah, you can see here the books are scrolling to the left side. Yeah, and the down ones, the social websites, Google, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. These are actually imported from the footer component. You can check here. Import Instagram, Twitter, Google, YouTube. From these, I have provided the icons here. So this is the home page. Okay, so you can find the books here. Let's click on home page. We'll be in the home page itself. If we click on the bookshelves, you get these details. All is pre-selected icon here, and when you click on read, you get these details, which means it is already read and currently reading, which is reading currently and want to read. Okay, so suppose you want to find any book, you can search in the search bar here, one life. Let's check this one. Yeah, you can check here, one life. If you click on this, yeah, it will be showing the author name and the rating of the book and the status of the book, and it also shows about the author also and about the book too. So let's go back to the home page. If you want to go back to the home page, you can click on this tab, or else you can click on the home page also. So let's click on the random book here. Yeah, it shows the details here. And if you want to search any book, you can click here. I'm generating a random name. And let's try with this. Yeah, the book is present here, so it is giving you the name. Let's check with the other name. Yeah, Sachin. Your search for Sachin did not find any matches because the book is not present with this name. Yeah, so these are the books. You can check here. You can click on the find book option also. It gives you the same option here. Okay, so let's click on logout. We come to the login page again. So this is actually the desktop mode. Let's try to log in with the mobile mode and also with the tab mode. So this is this is with the mobile view. Let's try to log in once. Yeah, it gives you the same options. Book Hub tab is provided on the top here, and the hamburger menu is provided here. Same home option, bookshelves, logout. You can find the books here. All the options are provided here. All read, currently read, want to read, and all. You can click on the Book Hub tab here. So this is actually the mobile view. Let's check with the tab view also. Let's log in here. We give the same name and give the password. Yeah, same. You get the tab of Book Hub, Bookshelf, and it is little bit similar to the desktop view and logout section here. If you want to come to the home page, click on this, and the icons are visible. We have imported it from the footer section: Google, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and find books. So let's log out. So this is the tablet view. Okay. So these are the details which are provided in the mini project. Thank you.